Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back on corn, combining corn today. It rained a little bit yesterday. We were cutting beans in the morning and got rained out about 1 or 1:30. We didn't really do much for the rest of the day, just got some stuff moved over, getting ready to run this corn today. I just got back from lunch. We had opened up this field before and then Dad ran while we went and got some lunch. So I'm back running now. I got Krista running the grain cart over there, and I got this field here almost done, and then we got to move across that ditch over there. Just got to do this little bit here, and then we got to go over right there. So we got plenty to do here. I think it planted out at like 90 acres or so. So we'll have plenty to do today, and still be working on it tomorrow. Probably we won't get this all done today, but we have another, let's see, like 70 acres right down the road. We were just cutting beans right down the road yesterday, and a little bit farther down we got the corn to run down there. But my dad and Cody went over to start running the beans that we didn't finish yesterday. They think they're gonna run, so Cody's gonna run beans today. I'm gonna run corn, and we're gonna see if we can get something done today. We haven't been very productive this week because the weather hasn't wanted to cooperate. But anyways, we're gonna try to get what we can done. So I'm gonna keep working on this field here, and we'll knock out some acres. All right, guys. So I have been combining. We're making good progress. We got this whole field done here. You can kind of see. We got this on this side of the ditch done too, almost. But I'm gonna get this done, and then we'll go on the other side of the driveway and get started over there. It'll be 6 o'clock. My phone went to a different time zone. There's a time zone change in this area somewhere, and if you get in the right spot, your phone will change over to the other time. So sometimes that gets me mixed up, but anyways, we'll get some more done tonight. It's not like beans where they're going to get tough. We can run as long as we want to. But Cody's working on those beans still, and he's sounds like he's getting along all right. I'd say he's probably made a good dent in the rest of that field. I think he loaded the tri-axle dump truck, and then I think he's gonna get the rest of it on the semi. So he should be done shortly. Hopefully he can get that all done before it gets tough out, before the dew sets in, and then he can come over here and run the grain cart for me or do something. I lost my grain cart operator. She's going to go camping or something. But she was doing pretty good. It's the first time she's really ran the grain cart. She ran it when we were combining beans the past 2 days. Just kind of unloaded, standing still, and kind of got used to the unloading and stuff. So now we've been unloading on the go, and she's doing fine. So she had to go. So I have no grain cart driver. Well, actually, Dad's in there now, but for a little bit there, I didn't have a grain cart driver. But anyways, I'm gonna keep going, and then we'll move across the driveway and get going over there. I think there's more. I don't know if there's more over there on that side or not. I think it's pretty even. This side may have a little bit more on it, but anyways, well, I can actually find out here. See, we have 47 acres done, so there's a little bit over half of the field over here on this side of the driveway. But it's a lot nicer field over there on that side, though. It's a lot flatter and stuff. So anyways, I'm going to keep combining. This corn's doing really good. I think I have a 160 bushel average right now, so that's doing really good. And I guess I'll just keep rolling on here. Looks like he's making 170, 160, 170. 270. So my average is, yeah, 166. So doing pretty good. All right, guys. So we got that one side done over there, and we've moved on to this side. I got all the end rows off and started going back and forth a little bit just to fill the grain cart for the night. So we're gonna quit. I'm gonna blow the combine off with the big air compressor because it's already here, and then we're gonna quit for the night. So I will see you back right here in the morning. All right, guys, we're back here this morning, and checked hydraulic oil in the combine, and you need to put a little bit in there, so I put some in there. Motor oil is fine. So Cody's gonna grease these snapping rolls on the corn head, and I'm gonna clean the windows because I can't see anything out of them. So we'll get to it. All right, so we got everything greased, got the windows cleaned, and we're ready to go. Cody's gonna run the grain cart for me for a little bit, and we're gonna see if we can get this shelled here, and then not really sure where we're going next. Alright, we're unloaded on the go again, but we're making pretty good progress on this field. We're getting close to being done. Let's see, I got 14 acres left. I got to finish this little strip. I got a strip over there on the other side.
Can you hear me, Paul?
And then I got that little 3-corner field over there.
The next time you're around the grain cart when they're unloading, back there by the gearbox, sounds like maybe something's getting dry, just a little bit. Maybe it's just me, but you might check it.
Cody's struggling to keep up with the cart. We're making like 200 bushel corn, which is very good for our ground. This is some of our best ground here, though. But he's struggling to keep up. But anyways, that's a good problem to have, though. So. Anyways, I'm going to keep combining. I'm not sure what we're going to do next, if we're going to move the beans or we're going to keep combining corn. I don't know what we're doing, so I'll tell you when we do. Alright guys, so today we switched over and started combining beans, and we got almost 100 acres knocked out between 2 combines. And well, actually Cody got more than that because Cody finished that one field that he was in, but together in this field we almost got 100 acres. So we got a little, like, I think it's like a 10-acre little field over there with all of this we still got to do. But other than that, this field is done. So Cody's unloading on to Dad and the grain cart, and then I'm going to unload what I have just a little bit, and then call it a night because it's getting tough and we're out of trucks. So I guess that'll be it for today. So I guess I will see you tomorrow and see what we get into.